Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Monday, August 28th, and for this customer, this unit here, I'm trying to see what the label number here is. This one is labeled number 2, and there's a complaint of runtime, and I do see that, I witnessed that. They're saying about 10 minutes, and that's quite possible. So one battery right here is showing 13.25, and generally these batteries shouldn't deviate typically more than 1 volt when in good condition, and we're at 12.1. So with that said, these batteries need to be replaced. Now, one thing that could have possibly been the culprit for this failure on this battery, all this liquid that comes from the back motor exhaust has been leaking on top of the battery and getting into the vents. The vents need to be wiped down every day after use. You have to lift this up, check to see if there's any moisture, and clean it up daily. Other issue was this fitting actually came unscrewed from the top of this fixture here, the control panel. And also I had to inform the user that for daily cleaning, we need to be on the low pressure or normal setting. This is only for temporary heavy cleaning. Also, we have issues with the squeegee warped blades, and it's hard to say whether or not they've been flipped over. Yeah, they've been flipped. So we need to quote another set of blades. Wheels are moving. So anyway, seeing that difference in voltage is telltale sign of failure. And we have 707 hours. And we're back on number 2. This is the one that had the one bad battery out of the 2 where we have to replace, but I wanted to double check the charger operation on this one. So a little note, side note, I did repair the plug that goes into the control panel so it holds the hose in place. Plug it in. Power on the charger, so it's initializing, and checking the state of charge, and here we go. Boom. So having a faulty battery is causing a little higher bulk initial voltage and current. So it senses there's a problem with one of the batteries, as indicated with my test on the separate batteries. So apparently the charger does appear to be good. Now it may not take a full charge because of the offset voltage on one of the batteries. So therefore the chemistry is off on this one. So, because remember we went at probably 27, 28 volts on the first machine. So we're going to go ahead and say your charger's good on this one and put in the quote for the batteries on this.